She said, oh, these are cool. What? Oh my god, I love these.
I mean, good news is they'll be getting a lot of donations.
This time of year, yeah, we're going through stuff. Oh, through the bird.
That is cool. Get it?
Yeah.
I was like, I used to move the furniture all the time.
You do have someone to lift it in the vehicle? Okay, perfect.
She said, oh, these are cool. What? Oh my god, I love these.
I was looking for this other one, but it's kind of yellowed anyway.
Yeah, I'd have to have like a oxy bath or something.
What's this?
Some knockoffs that just say air.
Some airs.
Some airs. Just air. Hey, come on, Nazis.
Okay, I'm gonna go check toys.
Another box? You know, Kaden got rubble on the double.
He does?
Yeah.
She knows her stuff.
Kaden has that? Oh boy. It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Thank you. You have very good manners.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me. And Kaden has chases on the case.
Chases on the case. Oh, okay.
Did you see who's up here?
Yeah. Who is that?
Marshall.
Marshall.
We got two little boys that are net.
She has a little cousin.
Oh yeah, so she's like, I know.
It's puppy goes in here.
Yeah, here's the paint cutter.
That lady said she's available today
Okay.
to come get that stuff for like, I mean, do you have a time?
It just says 12.
Unless we could come now.
Yeah, I'm fine with that. I think he'd like these.
Okay.
Okay. You gonna keep this for you? Oh. Is it too much?
Are they $10?
Yeah.
So I was like, hold on, how much are they?
Okay. Yeah, which one are you at? Easy for you. $3.99.
It was $4.20. 80 cents.
Thank you. Alright, let's go fight people in Goodwill.
Right, I know, that's terrible. Oh, no.
Boom, 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 boom. Hopefully they ain't my size. Oh yeah, that's me. What do they want for?
75.
No, thank you.
Yeah, well, we would have paid you though.
I said I was gonna come catch it for you. You sure?
Yeah, I'm about to push it over there by the toy.
No, I was just like, I saw that hanging over. I was like, oh no. I mean, it's a full one, so.
Yeah.
I just saw some of these at a yard sale. They're somewhat cool. Oh, that's the little ghost. That's cool. Pictures. Pop drop stuff. So we just, I guess, right at this part happen to be standing directly under a speaker. But really what you're seeing here, as my wife's still checking out some other stuff, we pick out the things that we want to kind of look up, see what the value is. This is just a smart idea, if you can. Toss it in a basket and then find you a place. But if you're making a YouTube video, pick a place that is quieter so that you can still film the conversation. But yeah, we had a Yeti shirt, this Flogging Molly shirt that my wife's holding, this awesome nice Nike jacket. We're gonna share with you a little bit on that, and then a really cool Yankees Johnny Damon jersey. So we're gonna look all those up and then tell you what we're gonna pick up. So we're gonna go with these. I think we're thinking they're like $5-6. What did you said they would bring in?
Like $5-7 something. I think you can get $30 for those.
Okay. I mean, killer find.
Yeah, really stinking cool. $9.
The big Nike check, 90s tag. I mean, low end $40, $50.
Yeah, that's very cool.
New with tags.
Yep, little Lululemon.
Lululemon, like a little beanie.
Yeah. Pre-owned, you said they were going for close to like
25, so I'm thinking maybe like $30. And then right as we're getting into baseball season, Yankees,
clean.
Johnny Damon, Majestic. I think we can put a price tag of $35 on that. So let's see what we come up to. Ready? All right, so another fun little thrift store haul. And we have not been spending a lot at these stores. The first store for that Dalmatian shirt, we paid $5. You saw that the one that sold went on like 4 bids. There's no more available. We got ours listed for $25, so that'll be really good. Mrs. Flips did try it on, but she put it up for sale. The Goodwill, we spent right at $30 for those items, and we'll make almost 200 in gross sales. Yes, that Johnny Damon jersey, we got that one. I think we got it listed. The Nike jacket already has a watch on it at $50. Those straight leggings, I put up a close sold comp. We have ours listed a little bit cheaper. Something like the size is a little weird, but yeah. And then that little Lululemon, it's just like a runner's beanie. And that one's new with tags, so pretty good finds there. But I said I would tell you what we did when we had to schedule a kind of little delivery. This lady was buying some wicker. Wicker has been like, it was like a wicker week. Good, bad, and ugly. Got a free shelf that my wife has been wanting by helping out a neighbor. If you didn't see it in our fun little positive power hour, we helped a neighbor that I didn't even know. I was in a thrift store. I was volunteered by the thrift store to go help a lady who needed a refrigerator installed in her house. The guy was delivering it. He couldn't quite do it himself, so I helped him load it into his truck. I found out that he was delivering it to someone on my street in my neighborhood. Awesome lady. She lives 4 houses down, and she has chickens, and they have eggs, and she goes, I have too many eggs. I need another refrigerator. So we got it in her house, and I moved this awesome wicker shelf out of the way, and she goes, that piece of junk, do you want it? You can have it, and take a dozen eggs as well. And then she slips me $25 for helping her. So it was super cool. But in another video, you didn't see it. I'll throw some photos up here. I picked up this wicker elephant at Goodwill for $10. White wicker elephant. It was a hamper. But also last year at a yard sale, we picked up a white giraffe. Pretty cool. We've had it in some videos. And then we also had a white desk that we picked up. You know, nice little vanity desk and chair that we picked up at a yard sale last year. At another thrift store, we found the white wicker mirror. So we just had wicker everywhere. A lady wanted all of those pieces. Facebook Marketplace, $255 for the giraffe, for the hamper, and for the vanity and mirror. For all of those pieces, because yard sales and thrift stores are great. $40 was our investment in all those pieces. And we got rid of all of them. We made some space. But we got this free wicker shelf for helping someone else out. $25 cash, and it was an unplanned trip. And a dozen fresh eggs. And it was super cool. We had another deal that didn't work out. It was a pretty rare shelf. It had cabinet doors on it and everything. I was not the best Facebook interaction on Marketplace. I said, yes, I'd love to pick it up, waiting for the rain to stop, but it's their right. They sold it to someone else. It was only $50. It was a $600 piece, but we probably would have kept it because we're working on wicker for our nursery. So we're going to go with kind of a theme with that, with some different decor that we can put in there for our little baby girl that is on the way. And just wanted to wrap this video up with telling you the why to what we do. I was listening to another YouTuber and just inspired me. You know, you guys get to see in the videos a lot on what we do. We go find things, we flip them for a profit. But the why is because I love doing this with my wife. I love having the time with my family, my boys, my daughter on the way. Part of getting that shelf was the why is I love to help people. I love to see people that watch these videos succeed or be encouraged or feel like they are part of our story. I like to record and edit these things not so that you know, you guys can just see something cool that we're doing, so that you're kind of part of what we do. And I love the opportunity to start like an entrepreneurship of starting a business. Yes, just reselling and flipping things and documenting it here on YouTube, but because it's just helping me be a better father and a better husband, and spending more time with those that I care about the most, and sharing our story with you, and sharing kindness with other people, and trying to make this world a better place. And if it can happen on a fun, you know, positive YouTube channel, awesome. But yeah, we just hope that you are learning something, but that you also know you're so much just a vital part of our story, and we couldn't change it in any other way. We've met so many great people, so many great friends through YouTube, and it's just been incredible. And this is why we do what we do. It's the freedom to have time with our family, to have fun, and, you know, share the great things of our faith with other people, and just how we can show the love of Jesus to other people in so many different ways. And that's what you're gonna get in this channel, and that's the why behind the what. And so I just wanted to not get too deep on you and too emotional, but just say thank you. I really do appreciate it when you guys just tune in to our story and our journey on what we're doing, just finding stuff, flipping it, and having a good time. But be sure to subscribe if you want to stay part of the journey over here at the channel, and be sure to give this video a like and comment down below. We love talking to you each and every video, and we can't wait to see you again real soon. But make the world a better place. We can all do it together with a sale and a smile. We'll see you again real soon. Bye.